Welcome to Mitra classes. In this video we are going to solve some selected problems of the chapter complex number exercise 1.4. So let's get started.
Exercise 1.4 and problem number 5. Here 3 plus 3 omega plus 5 omega square whole to the power 6 minus 2 plus 6 omega plus 2 omega square whole to the power 3 equal to 0. This is to be proved. Left hand side value equal to 0 after simplification. Left hand side 3 plus 3 omega plus 3 omega square plus 2 omega square minus 2 plus 2 omega plus 2 omega square plus 4 omega whole to the power 3. Now 3 common from this 3 at 3 set 1 plus omega square plus 2 omega square 2 common and 1 plus omega square plus 4 omega whole to the power cube. Now you see here 3, this value 0, 2 omega square whole to the power 6 minus 2 into 0 plus 4 omega whole to the power cube. Now you see 2 to the power 6 omega to the power 12 minus 2 to the power 4 to the power 3 into omega 3. Now you see 2 to the power 6 omega 3 into 4 minus 4 cube omega cube. We know omega cube value, already we have derived 1, that is 2 to the power 6 and 4 to the power 3. And if you see the solve, 64 minus 64 equal to 0. Again exercise 1.4 problem number 6. So we are doing here A plus B omega plus C omega square divided by C plus A omega plus B omega square, and this value equal to omega square. But if you see this problem, starting clicking is very difficult. One thing is clear, we require the omega square. What we are doing here, we are taking the left hand side, multiply both sides, that is numerator and denominator, by omega square. Now, don't do anything here, keep omega square as it is, and this block now, if I am keeping as it is, I cannot do anything here. So keep it here, C omega square into omega square, C omega square, A omega cube, B omega 4. Already we know omega cube equal to 1, omega 4 equal to omega cube into omega, and that value is 1 into omega. That is mean this is omega. A, B omega, C omega square multiplied by omega square divided by C omega square A plus B omega. Look here, numerator and denominator are same and pending is the omega square, which is our right hand side, hence proved. Exercise 1.4, problem number 35, 1 plus omega, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega 4 and 1 plus omega 8. Find the value of upper simple, that means we have to do simplification. Now you write 1 plus omega, we have a value 1 plus omega square equal to 0. So I am keeping 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square. That means we are writing here omega square minus. Same way here 1 plus omega square also minus omega. 1 plus omega square minus omega. Now here is a little bit problem. 1 plus omega 4. Omega 4 means omega 3 into omega. Or omega 3 equal to 1. So 1 plus omega. Same way here also. Omega 8. Omega 8. Omega 6 and omega square. 6 up to 8. Now you see this minus a plus omega cube. Now I am writing 1 plus omega. Again we can write minus omega square. Again here 1 plus omega 6 matlab 6 into 2 into omega square. That means again here you see here plus minus a minus omega to the power is we added 5, or also we can write here omega cube equal to 1 minus omega square. That is better. Now also we can write 1 omega cube equal to 1 square equal to 1 into omega square equal to omega. So this is we are getting here. Again here minus omega plus 1 plus omega square equal to again minus omega. So you see here minus a plus omega square is the answer. Now z minus 2 minus 2i mod value minus equal to z 2 plus 2i. Now we have to find out the locus. What is the meaning of the locus? We know z equal to x plus iy from the given identity by equation whatever you say x relation with y after simplifying. So we will get certain equation which can be linear, which can be quadratic or anything. From this we have to identify if it is a linear, it is the equation of the straight line, or if it is a square, it is a curvature, and curvature nature can be circle, can be parabola and so on. In your case, curvature, that is x ka power not linear, x ka power 2 and 3, then either it will be circle and either it will be parabola. But we are not required to know whether it is a parabola or circle. We have to say this is the equation, that is the locus of the complex number. Next, first you see how we will manage this problem here. Z equal to x plus iy minus 2 minus 2y equal to x plus iy plus 2 plus 2y. Now x minus 2 plus I y minus 2 equal to x plus 2 and plus I y plus 2. But remember, it is not a complex number, it is a modulus. Suppose, again I am telling you, I am just going to mistake. What mistake we are going to do? If it is not a modulus, imaginary part equal to imaginary part, real part equal to real part, but not applicable because it is no more a complex number, it is a modulus value. Then what is to be done? Then you see, modulus matlab this is my A and this is my B. Similarly here this is A and this is B. That means root over A square plus B square equal to root over x plus 2 the whole square y plus 2 the whole square. Now you squaring both sides and then also simplifying the inner part, s square minus 4x plus 4 y square minus 4y plus 4. Square root vanish हो गया. After squaring ये jumped one step more, s square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 4y plus 4. S square y square s square y square, and brought everything left hand side, minus 4x minus 4x minus 4y minus 4y minus 4y, and a 4 is also cancelled, and these 4 also, these 4 cancel, will be equal to 0, minus 4 common, this is minus 8x minus 8y equal to 0, minus 8 common liya, x plus y equal to 0, and you are getting x plus y equal to 0. What I have told, if the given condition relation of x and y in linear, x ka power 1 and y ka power also 1, then this is the equation of a straight line. Hence locus is a straight line, because we know this case from the class 10. Locus means the relation x versus y. So that is the problem. Again we have to make the relation x plus 3i z minus 6i, and you see modulus equal to 1. Now modulus, let z equal to x plus iy, and you write x plus iy plus 3i and x plus iy minus 6i equal to 1. What is the meaning? You see cross multiplication karo, and also modulus value simultaneous. Root over. Now here I am showing x, I, y plus 3 modulus equal to s square y plus 3 the whole square. It is also saying y plus 3 the whole square, and I have done the cross multiplication also. Hence here equal to s square plus y minus 6 the whole square. Now you see here squaring and also simplifying, s square y square 6y 9 s square y square minus 12y plus 36. S square y square cancel. Now here 6y at 12y, 9 minus 36 equal to 0. Minus commonly 6y, 12y minus 6y and minus 9, plus 9 minus 36 equal to minus common चला गया 27 equal to 0. Again 3 common लो 2y plus 9 equal to 0. Hence locus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. That is my locus. And also this is the linear equation. That means it is also equation of a straight line. D. Moivres theorem. What does the theorem say? Theorem say cos theta I sin theta, these value hold to the power n, we can write cos n theta plus I sin n theta. I do not know what is the book has done the formula proved. I am just taking the two lines. That formula can be proved by two lines. Let z equal to cos theta I sin theta equal to e to the power I theta equal to I n theta. Again you write, this is called polar form and this is called exponential form. Now exponential form and again converting to polar form, cos n theta I sin n theta. That is mean z equal to like this. Given problem, you see here cos twice theta plus I sin twice theta divided by cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta whole to the power cube, here whole to the power 7. Look here, left hand side. Now we are writing here cos twice theta I sin twice theta to the power 7. I am writing for simplicity point of this in polar form. Without converting polar form also can be done, little bit difficult, etc. So e to the power I twice theta whole to the power 7 divided by e to the power I 4 theta whole to the power 3. Now you can write e to the power n I into 14 theta divided by e to the power I 12 theta. So you are getting here I 14 12 2 theta. That means cos twice theta I sin twice theta. This is after simplification, this is my answer.